welcome to Jargon for beginners, like me. Okay, so when I started trading, I don't know about you guys, but all of these abbreviations were very intimidating and I had to spend hours just going back and looking up what everything meant. You know, for example, FVG, fair value gap. We will get to that one eventually. Okay, today I'm going to start with the basic of the basics. Okay, so we're going to start with SL. I'm going to write this here as we go. So SL, TP, and my favorite, well, not really, but my favorite, BE. Okay, so bear with me. Let's go through this. Again, this is for beginners. If you know what these mean, this is going to have absolutely no value to you. So, you know, keep scrolling. Now, if you are still here, let's get into this. So, first things first. SL. What does that mean? Sweet and simply, it means stop loss. Okay. So, when you place in a trade, there's going to be a TP, a take profit. That's the next one, where we actually go in on the trade, and our SL, our stop loss. So let's say it's a losing trade. This basically tags us out of the trade. It's a safety net so that our money doesn't just go pew all the way down the drain. Okay, so I'm keeping this as simple as possible. Let's quickly have a look at what a stop loss would look like. Okay, so stop loss in real life. Let's say I did a bad trade. Okay, let's say I went for a long here. Okay. Let's say I'd gone for a long. I placed my trade as it is here. I got tagged in. Yay. Tagged into the trade. And then all of a sudden it just starts going down, 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 down. Okay. This portion here is what you call your stop loss. Essentially, you stop at a loss. Like, it's pretty self-explanatory. It stops you out at where you set a specific amount. Depending on the person, some people trade big and they set their SL at $500. I personally do $200 just to be safe. And that's literally it. It's the point where you pick that the trade is going to tag you out of. Next, we go for our TP. Every trader's favorite thing to say. It does not mean toilet paper. Putting it out there does not mean toilet paper. It is your take profit. Again, opposite of your stop loss. It is, let's say you got into a trade here. Okay. Here's where you get in, and it goes all the way down to your TP, where you set your trade to finish and be a winning trade. We hope. Okay. So it's literally just the complete reverse of your stop loss. Again, apologies, I'm keeping this as basic as possible. I'll try find some real life trading videos as well to hop in here so you can see a good example of a TP being taken and an SL being taken. Last but not least, my most annoying, BE. Okay. Stands for break even. Let's write this out here. Sorry, that's a mess. Anyway, so break even. What does this mean? So let's say we've got a trade going. Okay. Let's say we got in down here. Okay. And everyone has different rules for their trading. Some people don't go break even. They just don't believe in it. I personally like to mitigate my risk. You know, rather have a break even than a loss. That's just, you know, it's just the easier, the safer way of trading, personally. Everyone has their own methods, but for me, what tends to be a thing is when I get to around halfway to my TP from my entry, I then place my stop loss to break even. Okay, so in this case, you can see it would have gone all the way up, got me all excited, and then it came down to be break even. So now, instead of losing, let's say $200, let's say I'd done 1-to-1 R, $200, I either would have had a TP, gained $200, or stop loss, SL, and lost $200. Now, I have lost nothing, but also gained nothing. But rather that than a $200 loss, because then you're now in the red. So that is literally just what a break even means. You've broken even. You've gained nor lost. Yeah, that's literally it. That's trading jargon for basic beginners. I hope this helps. These are so much fun to use now. There are so many more, so stay tuned. I will be bringing out more and more and more. If there's any jargon that you struggle with, like I said, FVG, BOS, if any of these aren't making sense to you, let me know, because then I will start to bring out some more videos where I go into more depth. These were just the most simple ones. Somewhere easy to start. Let me know if this helped at all. Give me some feedback. What do you think? Was this useful? Was this just absolute rubbish? I won't take it personally, I get it. But if you did find this useful, hit that like and subscribe button, and I will then start coming up with some more. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you later. Bye!